Alright, what is going on, guys? Alright, we got one more battery we're gonna mess around with. Do another quick video of this. Quick video. We got some DRC batteries from the trucks and stuff like that, the DRC trucks that we got, so it kind of works out good with these a little bit. Dude, I know there's the square ones, but come on. There's gotta be a way to this fits in here. We just got it out. We just got a battery out of it, and it has to go in one way because that's the way that this thing goes. Alright, mess with this one a little bit. Thought I turned it on, but apparently it didn't. Alright, let's go. Alright, this is the DRC again. So we got a battery in it. So we're gonna check out see what it goes for distance. Dude, it'd be sweet if I lived over here, man. But ain't no backyard. I mean, this is your backyard somewhat, but now it seems to be doing whatever now, but yeah, it's a DRC. I'm not sure what number it is. I don't remember which one it is, but it's off of Amazon. Probably got it for like under $100. So, I mean, hey, it's cool, man. Just gonna get a couple. We have a couple more batteries, just to somewhere I have the original battery at home, but I have a bunch of DRC batteries that we had from the cars. Still bypass. it's doing a skip. Oh, hopefully I guide the distance, because I have this camera, the way the camera's set up. It's kind of weird, but... I'll find out when I look at it. Ooh, it got wet. Alright, we're gonna end this video. So if you don't mind, thumbs up this video if you like the content, and subscribe. Alright, thank you. Check you out later. Hopefully in the springtime next year we will be getting, you know, as they say in Jaws reference, we're gonna need a bigger boat. Alright, check you out later.